Hi guys, today we're going to install the covers for the window switches in 2025 Toyota Tacoma. We have 4 right here for each of the switches in the vehicle. We will install them one by one, but the idea is pretty straightforward. This cover gets secured with double-sided tape and goes on top of the original panel like this. And the goal of this panel is to protect the switch from scratches, from dents, etc. And besides that, it will change the look of the interior slightly. Instead of the black color, you will have, it's called black wood grain color. So again, it will go like this. And this is how it's going to look like. Right now we will install them one by one. Before installation, we will need to clean the surface from dirt and grease. We'll use isopropyl alcohol. You need to wipe off this plastic panel all around where the tape will go, and even now guys I can see some scratches already. Right here there's one, there's a small one right there, and it does get dirty. So this is the goal in our case, is to minimize the amount of damage that these panels will have. Remove all the protective film from the double-sided tape, and now guys I will use the heat gun to warm up this tape. You don't necessarily have to do it if it's hot outside. If it's colder or if it's winter, you definitely need to do this step, because when the tape is warm, it will bond better with the surface. So in general, warm it up like this for a few seconds. And if you don't have a heat gun like this, you can also use the hair dryer. And now we will put the cover on top of the switch panel. Make sure that it aligns properly, and after that I will start to apply the pressure all around. Hold it for a few seconds in a few areas until the panel doesn't move anymore. We have already cleaned the passenger side and removed the tape. I will apply the second panel. This is how the passenger side looks like. Again, apply some pressure guys, and as for the buttons, yes, they're still accessible. It does add a little bit of a layer of thickness on top of the original panel, but buttons still work, you can still use them. But again, you should keep this in mind, that they will be slightly higher now after the installation. Now we will do the panel for the rear right side, for the rear door. Idea is exactly the same. It's just the panel is different based on the rear doors. And carefully lower it guys, make sure that it goes in properly, and then push it all around. Again, button is accessible. And the last panel, in this case this is the left rear door. This set is also guys available in carbon fiber color, so you can get one of those as well. I will leave you links for both in the description, but we personally like this black wood grain color better. We already have a few other panels installed in this vehicle, one for the steering wheel and one for the central console. So all of these panels will now match each other, and the installation of the window switch covers is complete. Again, this is how our driver's side switch looks like. We also have, like I said guys, one panel on the central console around the gear shift lever, and we have small covers for the steering wheel. These ones will hide the silver color. I will leave you guys links for these ones in the description, including the ones that we installed today, the switch covers. They're available on the Car Trim Home website, and they actually have more different overlays and covers for the interior. You can check them out yourself. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.